So here you can see we've got around $119 in sale. Let me refresh this one for you. Yeah, it's $19, $119 in sale. So make sure you watch this video completely, because in this video I'll be explaining you each and every strategies that we have used for getting $119 in sales with proof. But before that, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now, because I post videos on different ways of making money online, drop shipping, Facebook ads, Google ads, just for you guys. So rolling camera intro. Hey, and just welcome to another video. This is the day number 2 of the series that I've started of taking a brand new dropshipping store. That's my YouTube subscriber store, from $0 to around $1,000 in sales per day. I have uploaded one video that is of day number 1, 2 to 3 days earlier, in which we have started the engagement ads. If you don't know, probably I have uploaded one video in which I show my Facebook advertisement strategy. That is a little bit different from others. I start with engagement ads first and build out my pixels. Then I'll start with conversion ads. If you don't know conversion ads are for getting purchases, and engagement are for getting engagement to our Facebook post. So once this has been done, so I have started with the engagement ads, then with conversion ads. So for the first day within running the engagement ads, that is not for getting sales, we have got a sale of around $35.95, as I have made the video on that in the first day. If you haven't seen, I'll give a link in the top of the video. You can go and watch the video first. So in this video I'll be showing you how we are getting different sales. So that first day I've got around $35.19 within 2 days of running the ads around engagement ads. What happened to us and how we get $119, I will be explaining you going to my Shopify dashboard that I am working from my subscriber store, and as well as the Facebook ads, exact dashboard Facebook ads in this video. So make sure you watch this video completely, and let me dive into my computer right now.
Like this video right now so that my videos can reach to people like you who want to make money online sitting in your home and dance.
So here you can see I am on the Shopify dashboard of my subscriber store. Probably I will not be able to show you the name of the store as well as the product that we are advertising right now, because we are advertising the product right now. Here you can see this is the April 10th, and we haven't got any sale today because I have stopped running the Facebook ads for today. I'll be resuming it within today or day after tomorrow, or day at 11 or 12, I think, because I'll be explaining you why I have stopped the Facebook ads in this video. I'll be explaining you. Here first day is 7th April that I have made the video, and we have got around sale of around $35.9, and next 2 days we have got around sale. So you can see the sale, we have got around 2 sales for the next 2 days. So we start the ads on around 7th, and we've got the sale on the 7th only. So just by running engagement ads. If you don't know what is engagement ads, this is the engagement ads, means people will comment and start liking on your post. It is called engagement ads. And we haven't started the conversion ads. If you don't know conversion ads, these are the ads in the particular campaign in the Facebook ads that's only for getting purchases. Today I have not get any purchase. Because of that, we have started with engagement ads, and we have just started with the engagement ads with online shopping as single interest. So I thought of, okay, let us test something else, as my subscriber also want to test out if we are getting sales with around only online shopping. Let us start with some duplicating the same ad set and just going with the not online shopping with the particular interest. Suppose we are running the store, you are running the store, I'm taking an example, you are running the store in the women's beauty. So just you are typing at women beauty and next with engage shoppers. So that your engage shoppers means the people who have clicked on the shop now button in the past. Facebook had all the information regarding that. So first of all, let me refresh the page, refresh the store's dashboard for you guys. Some guy is skeptical that I've shown some results that is scripted something, but it's not any scripted results. As you probably know, I post the videos that's particularly genuine, and here you can see I'm refreshing. But here, as the lockdown of the country, the internet connection is pretty slow. It's been taking some time, so let it, before it starts loading, let me explain you why we have stopped the ad. Yeah, you can see that the network is very slow, but don't worry, it will get refreshed very soon. So as we have started with engagement ads, online shopping as an interest, so I have explained you in earlier. I have just changed, and I was willing to try with engaged shoppers and see how it works. So testing is the main thing. We should first we should test everything, and which one is working pretty good, we should continue with those ad set and continue scaling those ad set to the moon, maybe, or to the higher numbers. So I thought of, okay, let's start. As per my YouTube subscriber also, you want to test out with engaged shoppers. With online shopping, we have got the ads. First of all, we have split tested 2 thumbnails, and then about 2 ad copy. With 2 thumbnails, we have got 1 sale. I've explained you in the first day of this series, and next day I have started with these engagement ads and online shopping. Now I have started with, we're testing out with engaged shoppers with the particular interest of the niche that was stored in. I cannot explain, I will tell you the niche that we are running the store. So for example, women's beauty, so I've just put our women's beauty narrowed down by engaged shoppers. That's it. Just we are doing this one, so it is getting refreshed, you can see, and we have got around saying $119. So let us go to our Facebook dashboard now, and I'll explain you next further what we have done. So I will explaining you after going to my Facebook dashboard. The similar thing that we have done is engage. Hi Mr. Vampire, how are you? Bye bye. So here you can see I'm on the Facebook ads account dashboard right now. First of all, you can see I have started with Facebook likes, and I explained in the first video. There's no need of doing this one. If you want, if you can do it just for likes. We've started with 2 posts, 2 thumbnails. We've split test 2 thumbnails, and we have got 1 sale from the winning thumbnail with high CPC and low CPC and high CTR. We have got our winning ad set. Next, we have taken this winning ad set and we duplicated with 2 ads copy. We have got within this 2, we have got 1 good CPC, less cost CPC, and the high CTR, but that doesn't give us sale. The other one has given us sale, but that's not an issue. You should for a general purpose, you should start with the high CTR and low CPC only. So once this has been done, when I started the conversion and when we're going to start the conversion ads, we'll again split this 2 ad copy again, and we'll see which one is getting a sales more. The one which are giving us a sale the more, will continue with that, and we'll be scaling those ad set more and more by spending more and more. So here you can see we are on our Facebook ads dashboard as well as Shopify store dashboard. So I will explain you why I stopped the ads after getting sales. Even after getting sales, I was thinking, okay, as we started this ads just right now, we are just in starting stage. We want to scale, we want to split test different things, so that when we start scaling, our ad set will work pretty good. So we should be confirmed that this ad set is pretty good, and if we can find more good ad set that is giving more good results, we should go for it. So first of all, I've started with engagement ads with online shopping. Then I thought of let us test something else. So we started testing with engaged shoppers, but within this idea has come very before, like we have to start the ad within 12 a.m. each and every day, so our budget is being spent more wisely. But once we have done this one, we got this idea 1 to 2 hours before. So one I have duplicated and again scheduled it for 12 a.m. It didn't get reviewed. So what I've thought is, okay, let us stop the ad for today. And next day, Easter Friday has just come up, so we thought okay, let us stop the ad for now. After Easter Friday, today is Saturday, we'll start again, resume the ad again with the same thing that I've explained you. Suppose your store is in women's beauty. So for example, your store is in women's beauty niche. So what we have done is, in the online interest targeting, we have just replaced the online shopping and just duplicated with we put the interest and as women's beauty, narrow down with engaged shopper. That's it. So the strategies that we have used for getting first sale and the second sale, that I believe is, first is your product should be of very good quality and people should be in need of this product. This product should give some value to the customer. And second thing, your video ad should be very good, your thumbnail should be perfect, and your store design should be try to make your store design into one single color. Try to go for just white keep the background, make the background in white in color like Amazon, and try to make the store into one color like blue or in red. Everything else should be in red, and the writing text should be in black in color. Make it look very quality pictures, put quality pictures, professional, make the store totally professional. And the third thing that we have used, just start with engagement ads. If everything is perfect, if you start with engagement ads also, you probably would be getting sales. So what we have done is we have just started with engagement ads, split testing 2 thumbnails with different thumbnails. One, we have got good CTR, ones whose CTR is very high and the cost per click is very less. Go for with that ad set and start duplicating that ad set into bigger numbers. We started with $50. You can start with $50, the interest, the ad set with engagement ads, and just type nothing else, 21 to 65 plus age range, and the interest target. In the interest, just type online shopping and you are good to go. This is the strategy that we have used for getting first 35 sales, and from the next 2 days, next 1 day I hope, we have got sales around $119 in sales. So make sure you stay to this end of this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video, because I will post videos on this thing, dropshipping, the different websites, so that you can get earn money online. And this will be a value bomb series in which I will take my dropshipping store, my subscriber dropshipping store, from $0 to around $1,000 in sale per day. So make sure you watch this video, watch every video that is coming up in the series one by one, and you will get values out of this. I promise you this one. So stay tuned. I'll be meeting you in the next upcoming videos with you guys.